everyone, welcome back to Auto Insight, your go-to place for the latest updates on cars, tech, and everything in between. If you love high-performance luxury SUVs, you're in for a treat because today we're diving deep into the 2026 BMW X6, a powerhouse of innovation, luxury, and performance. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Now, let's jump right in. The BMW X6 has always been a head-turner, blending coupe-like styling with SUV practicality, but for 2026, BMW is taking things to a whole new level with sharper aesthetics, more advanced technology, and improved performance. If you thought the previous X6 models were impressive, wait until you see what this one has to offer. Let's start with the design. The 2026 X6 sports an even bolder front fascia with a redesigned kidney grille that now features BMW's advanced illuminated contours, making it stand out even in the dark. The sleek laser headlights provide superior visibility while giving the SUV an aggressive, futuristic look. Along the sides, you'll notice sculpted body lines that enhance aerodynamics, while the rear boasts a sleek LED taillight setup that stretches across the tailgate, giving it a wider and more commanding presence. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. BMW is offering multiple powertrain options, starting with a turbocharged 3-liter inline-six engine now equipped with the latest 48V mild hybrid system for improved efficiency and responsiveness. This setup delivers an estimated 400 horsepower and significantly better fuel economy compared to its predecessor. For those who crave more power, the M60i variant comes with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out an exhilarating 600 horsepower, ensuring mind-blowing acceleration and top-tier performance. And for the eco-conscious buyers, BMW is introducing a plug-in hybrid variant, delivering a perfect balance of power and efficiency with an all-electric range of around 50 miles. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 2026 X6 doesn't disappoint. BMW's Drive all-wheel drive system has been enhanced for better traction and stability in all road conditions. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth yet sporty ride, and with rear-wheel steering available on higher trims, maneuverability is now better than ever, whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down the highway. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a futuristic and luxurious cabin that blends high-end materials with cutting-edge technology. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest curved display, integrating a massive 14.9-inch touchscreen with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Powered by the latest iDrive 9 system, the infotainment setup offers intuitive controls, AI-assisted voice commands, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The haptic feedback touch controls on the center console and a redesigned crystal gear selector add to the premium feel of the interior. Comfort is a top priority in the X6. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather with multiple color options, and BMW has introduced new ambient lighting themes that change according to driving modes. The Bowers & Wilkins premium audio system ensures an immersive sound experience, making every drive enjoyable. Rear passengers aren't left out either. There's generous legroom, climate control zones, and even optional entertainment screens for long trips. Safety and driver assistance features in the 2026 BMW X6 are top-notch. BMW's Driving Assistance Professional package includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an upgraded autonomous driving mode that allows for hands-free driving on certain highways. Parking is also a breeze with the 360-degree camera system and the latest version of BMW's automatic parking assist. As for pricing, BMW hasn't released the official figures yet, but experts predict the base model will start around $75,000, while the high-performance M60i could push past $110,000, depending on options and packages. The hybrid variant might fall somewhere in between, making it an attractive choice for those looking for a mix of power and efficiency. So, is the 2026 BMW X6 the ultimate luxury performance SUV? It sure looks like it. With its striking design, powerful engines, cutting-edge technology, and top-tier luxury, this SUV is set to dominate the roads. Whether you're an SUV enthusiast, a BMW loyalist, or someone looking for a stylish yet practical ride, the X6 delivers on all fronts. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about the 2026 BMW X6? Would you go for the inline-six, the twin-turbo V8, or the hybrid model? Would love to hear your thoughts. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 BMW X6, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.